Oh, hi guys, today the Axie Infinity just released and introduced the level breaker challenge for the codex. So this challenge is about new codex rewards for the first player to reach level 30, 40 and 50. So this challenge starts today, November 5, and will end once Alunasyan reaches level 50. Whoever reach first level 30 will receive Japanese Axie, and to the one who reach level 40 will receive Mayo Axie, and to the one who will reach the max level on the codex level, which is level 50, will receive a Christmas Axie. So it's only the first one or the first Lunasian that will reach first level 30, level 40 and level 50. So each will only receive one prizes.